Hello and welcome to the Forest. I'm your host Adam Carson, and obviously today we'll be playing ourselves some survival horror game. The Forest is basically it's a Steam Greenlight game, so it's still right now in public alpha, and it's still got some bugs, but it's a lot of fun. More or less, you're on an island, and there's cannibals trying to eat you, and you're trying not to get eaten or die of starvation. Alright, so you start on this plane. What the hell am I watching? Shirt tables are up. Hey, that guy's trading. No, that's even there. Look at the veins on his arm. They were anywhere. Oh! He's not wearing a seatbelt. I'm not wearing my seatbelt. The fasten your seatbelt sign is clearly illuminated. There's our mutant. Hi, mutant. I wonder how much mutant cannibals charge to babysit. And you wake up, covered in blood, hungry, hurt, and low on energy. Just like actual flying. Yeah, get myself an X. Soda. Food, soda, booze. Stuff. Oh, pedometer. Gonna need that. And foot. Can't hit the foot. Ah. Oh. World's worst lumberjack can't hit a damn suitcase. The mushrooms. Okay, mushrooms are good. How come every single person on this plane has the same luggage and it's all locked? I don't even lock my luggage anymore. Then again, I don't carry around a bunch of stuffed meat. Lizard! There we go. Rock. So we're looking here is a place to build our camp. And that's a cannibal village. We're not building near a cannibal village. Ah, take that, rabbit. Alright, lizard, rabbit, lizard armor. Of course. Realistically, that's a pretty defensible position. Just no food around here. Alright. Let's build ourselves a shelter. Build ourselves a tree house. And try to place it. There we go. Enough. I'm probably not going to get on that. That's awesome. And now for a whole lot of chopping down trees. And wood explosion. Man, I'm a manly man. 2 logs at the same time? I worked in a lumber mill for a couple of years, and I'll tell you what, nobody carrying around logs that size. Well, I mean, if you really tried, maybe, but it wouldn't be something you would be doing in By yourself? I don't even know how much that weighs. Huh? I've never seen it. Let me just put it that way. Oh yeah, great. Whoa! Yeah. That went bad. I'm an idiot. I'm a big idiot. I'm okay. Come on. I feel like Skyrim trying to strafe walk up a freaking hill. Nope. Get... Of course it's going to rain. Alright, only one more log. Then we gotta build a fire or we will freeze to death. Oh, that's creepy. Look at those eyes. Yeah, look at it. Oh, man, you're not supposed to be able to see through your own... Like two holes in my head or something? Maybe I died in the crash. Maybe I'm a ghost. Maybe this is Ghost Island. And we need to build a fire. Cook us up some rabbit. Fun fact: do you know you can actually die from eating too much rabbit? They're too lean. There's not enough fat on them. You actually get protein poisoning. I learned that on a survival show thing. I have no idea if it's actually true or not. I've never eaten 30 days worth of rabbit, so eat the rabbit. What's my guy doing with his left hand? Put it away. No. I am really surprised we haven't seen any mutants yet. What the heck? I don't even need to hunt anymore. The rabbits kill themselves. Oh. Yep. You know what? You guys do your thing. I'm going out to my treehouse. Oh, okay. We're playing the you're gonna get your ass kicked music. Wait, I'm cold and wet. I should build a fire to get dry. I'm in a treehouse. Oh, I see how this works. The mutants come out. It starts to rain. I die if I don't go down there and play with them, apparently. Screw you, game. Alright, fire. Building a standing fire. I can't see where it is. There. Light it. Whoa! Hello! You need to get a shirt on. What's your deal? Huh? Ah! Whoa! You're gonna die? And... well... oh! Oh, the red cloud just really adds to that. Oh, teeth! And, do anything with a head. Oh, I can equip it. Huh. Could chop a tree down with a head. No. Let's throw it. Actually, you know what? I could drop it. Oh, great. Figured I could just mosey down here and wash this blood off, but oh, look, a boat. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. See that? Yep. Keep on moving. Whew. Wow, that's a lot of them. And it sounds like they're kicking. Yeah, it sounds like they're kicking each other's ass, so, oh, shit. There we go. Yeah. Rope, we got a skull. A cassette player. Great. Oh, it's those freaking eyes. Let's see here. Skulls. What am I going to do with all these skulls? Alright, so we got feathers. Axe. Yeah. Now we're talking. This is a man's axe. Oh, look, it's the mutant brigade again. They're looking for me. They're right over wherever my house was. Is. Oh. I get the feeling I'm going to need to run. So we're gonna go ahead and have ourselves an energy drink. What if they're mad because I killed one of their women? Don't utter that phrase too often. Oh, he's eating. I shouldn't disturb him. I hate being interrupted while I'm eating. Enjoy your manwich, sir. Just gonna slide on by here. Pay me no mind. And shit. Yep, they saw me. Not sure if they still see me. Oh shit. Run. Get this feather, and I'm going up in my treehouse until sunrise, because no. Nope, no! Man, I am a bad carpenter, because this ladder sucks. Nope, shit! Oh, awesome. Oh, great, here they come. I'm gonna Skyrim strafe this thing. I hope they can't climb. Because I can't climb. Come on. If I jump, I'm going to fall off. There we go. Yep. Hello, lady. What's up? You know what? Only you can prevent forest fires. Ha! What did we learn? Come up here, raise some trouble, light your ass on fire. Oh, there's a lot of these guys. We have to start killing them? Is that what they want? Because, damn it. Nope. I do have a limited amount of booze, you guys know. What the heck are they doing? Are they fighting each other? Yes, they are. Where did two from? Get rid of the ringleader. Yeah, I see you down there. Oh, I should have got light bright down there. You guys done? Oh. You light somebody on fire, and you get covered in blood. Great. Alright, I think I'm going to leave this one here. Hey, go away. Alright, well, I'm leaving this one here. This is the forest. I'll probably be playing some more of this. It's pretty fun, even if it does wig out a little bit. But thank you very much for watching.